Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea tasty. First, always begin with fresh, cold water. It truly makes a difference. Next, measure your tea leaves precisely, perhaps 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water, to ensure consistent strength. Finally, heat your water to the ideal temperature for your tea, whether it's green, black, or herbal, to avoid bitterness or a weak brew. Once your water is ready, it's time to steep. Place your tea leaves in the hot water and steep for the recommended time, usually between 2 and 5 minutes, depending on the tea. Oversteeping can lead to bitterness, so remove the leaves promptly. For a sweeter taste, try a touch of honey or a slice of lemon to enhance the natural flavors. To truly elevate your tea experience, don't be afraid to experiment. Explore different tea varieties, from robust black teas to delicate white teas, and discover new favorites. Fresh additions like a squeeze of lemon, a sprig of mint, or a slice of ginger can transform your cup. Using a beautiful mug or teapot also enhances the entire ritual, making each sip more special. Ultimately, the best tea is the one you enjoy most. Feel free to adjust the steeping time for a stronger or lighter brew, and customize with your favorite sweeteners or milk. Don't hesitate to explore unique herbal infusions or create your own blends for a truly personalized cup. Remember to check the description below for links to great deals on quality tea and accessories, plus other helpful resources to continue your tea journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.